Hello everyone. So welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In the today's video, we will be seeing the two topics, that is which is based on the data set. So whenever we are dealing with the data set, we have to divide the data set in the two phases, that is train and test. Okay. So what is mean by training and what is mean by testing, we will be seeing in the today's video. So training means learning or analyzing from the data. Whereas testing is used to test the performance of the data set or the algorithm or to generate the result. So why we use these two things are, we are using the train to learn or analyze the data set, whereas we are using the test to test the algorithm accuracy. We are using this to test the accuracy of the data set, or we are using this to train the algorithm. So whenever we are taking any machine learning algorithm, we have to divide the machine learning algorithm into the training data set and testing data set. And the training data set is used to train the algorithm, and the testing data set is used to test the accuracy of the machine learning algorithm. So there are different ratios to divide the training and testing data set. So we will see what are the different ratios. So this is the basic cycle. Whenever we are taking any data, the training data is given to the machine learning algorithm and the testing data is given to the classifier. So here the classifier is the algorithm on which the model is being developed. So the classifier is provided with the test data and the evaluation results are based on the classifier, and the model is deployed based on the classifier, but the machine learning algorithm is trained on the training data. So the training data is given to the machine learning algorithm and the classifier works on the testing data. So these are the two different things. The training data is different, the testing data is different, and the evaluation results are based on the testing data. It is used to get the accuracy of the algorithm. How betterly the algorithm is working, we can get with the help of the testing data, and then the model is being deployed. So this is the use of the training data and the testing data. In Python, there are different packages to divide the data set into the training and testing data set. So that package name is test split. This is the package which is used to split the train into test data set, and the ratio that can be used to divide the train and test data are 70-30, 80-20 or 60-50. Most commonly these three data set ratios are used to divide the training testing data set. Either it is divided into 70-30 ratio or 60-40 ratio or 80-20 ratio. So these are the three ratio in which the data set is dividing whenever we are using any machine learning algorithm. And to divide that, generally the packages uses train test split. So this is the library, or this is the package which is used to divide the training and testing data set. So this was the basic explanation about how to divide the data set and what are the different things related to training and testing data set. I hope everyone is clear with the idea. In the next video, we will be seeing how to work with the data set in the Python with the real-time coding example. So thank you for watching this video, and for more such videos, make sure you subscribe the channel.